Today we talk about how can you enable weekly summary on your Samsung Kit app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on my page down here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for us a list like this. Click here on settings. So then it's going to take us to this list here. You click here on notifications. Then it's going to take us here in this list. You go down. Then you come here to weekly summary here. And you click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean weekly summary notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.